Number 3 is the Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer. In today's endless possibilities, where creativity knows no bounds, the Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer is the ultimate companion for all your innovative endeavors. This printer is a game-changer with exciting features and a price tag under $400. Enable your imagination with the LK5 Pro's impressive build volume, boasting an expansive space of 11.8 by 11.8 by 15.7 inches, 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters. Speed is the game's name, and the LK5 Pro delivers in style. With a blazing fast printing speed of 180 millimeters per second, this machine surges past the competition, setting a new industry standard. Precision is paramount, and the LK5 Pro knows it. Its reinforced diagonal bar design forms a stable triangular structure, minimizing vibrations and ensuring impeccable print quality. The lattice glass plate takes it up a notch, providing a flat, smooth surface for flawless creations. Silence is golden, and this printer embraces tranquility. Equipped with the ultra-silent TMC2208 driver, the LK5 Pro operates in a peaceful environment, allowing you to focus on your creative process undisturbed. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.